Binomial theorem. Today's class is binomial theorem. Question number 1. The coefficient of x power minus 5 in the binomial expansion of x plus 1 by x to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 10, where x not equals to 0 or 1 is an null. So here we write this one as x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 into plus 1 into x to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 whole divided by x to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. This can be written as a cube plus b cube formula minus denominator lo taking x to the power of 1 by 2 is common, x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. Now this is x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 into x to the power of 1 by 2 minus plus 1 whole to the power 10. Both are cancelled. Here it is also cancelled. Now this is x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2. Now again this is x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus minus into plus minus 1 by x power 1 by 2 whole to the power 10 whole to the power of 10 x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 10. Coefficient of x power minus 5 in the expansion is, first of all we find rth term. X power minus 5 in the expansion is 10cr a to the power of n minus r into b to the power r, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. So that's why we want to find small r. Here small r is equal to np. N means 10, p means 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 5 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So this is 5 plus 5, 10 by 5 by 6, 2 plus 3, 6. R is equal to 12. So therefore 10c 12 b to the power of 1. 10c 12 is the answer. Second question. If 27 to the power of 999 is divisible by 7, then the remainder is. So that's why 27 can be written as 28 minus 1 whole to the power 999 by 7. That is equal to 28 lambda minus 1 by 7. This can be written as 28 lambda plus 7 minus 7 minus 1 by 7. So 27 minus means 7 is common. 7 lambda minus 1 plus 6 by 7. So here the remainder is 6. Therefore remainder is 6. Third question. If the coefficients of x power minus 2 and x power minus 4 in the expansion of x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 3 whole power 18, when x greater than 0 or m and n, then m by n is equals to. So first of all we taking general term, that is tr plus 1 is equal to 18cr x to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 18 minus r and 1 by 2 x to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power r, that can be written as 18cr x to the power of 18 minus r by 3 into 1 by 2 to the power r. Given coefficient of x power minus 2 is m. So that implies m is equal to m. Coefficient of x to the power minus 2 is x to the power of 18 minus 2r by 3 is equal to x to the power of minus 2. So that implies 18 minus 2r is equal to minus 6. So now this is r is equal to 12. And x to the power of minus 4 is x to the power of 18 minus 2r by 3 is equal to x to the power minus 4. So that implies 18 minus 2r is equal to minus 12. So that implies r is equal to minus 30 and 15. So therefore m by n is equal to 18c 12 into 1 by 2 to the power 12 by 18c 15 into 1 by 2 to the power of 15, that is equal to question number 4. If the coefficients of 3 successive terms in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n are in the ratio 1:7:4, then the first term in the expansion is, that means first of all NCR plus 1 and NCR plus 2 are 3 consecutive terms in the expansion. So that's why NCR by 1 is equal to NCR plus 1 by 7 is equal to NCR plus 2 by 4. Now NCR plus 1 by NCR is equal to 7 by 1. Alright. Now solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2. N is equal to R is equal to 6. Therefore R plus 1th term is 7. Question number 5. If x is equal to set of x power 4 minus 3n minus 1 such that n belongs to a natural number, and y is equal to set of 9 into n minus 1 such that n belongs to a natural number, where n is set of natural numbers, then x union y is equals to 1. So that's why capital X 4 power n can be written as 3 plus 1 whole power n minus 3n minus 1. This is NC0 1 plus 3n as called plus NC1 into 3 plus NC2 into 3 square plus so on minus 3n minus 1. This is 1 plus 3n plus NC2 into 3 square plus NC3 into 3 cube plus so on minus 3n minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 3n is also cancelled. Now taking 3 square is common. 3 square means 9 is common. NC2 plus NC3 into 3 plus so on. So therefore x is equal to set of x such that x is divisible by 9. So we know that x is the subset of y. Clearly we say that x is subset of y. That is x union y is equal to